Hey you, yes, you, watching this, dreaming of financial freedom but feeling stuck, broke, or overwhelmed. Can you quickly subscribe now? What if I told you that you could make $1,000 a month online? No experience, no big budget, no fancy degree? Sounds impossible? Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal how Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 can transform your life and help you earn passive income online anytime. Let's dive into the easiest way to make money online. Picture this: waking up to PayPal notifications pinging your phone, earning money while you sleep, and finally breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind. 2 years ago, I was broke, drowning in bills, with no idea how to make money online. I tried everything: driving for Uber, filling out surveys, even selling old clothes, but nothing worked. Then I found Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0, and it changed my life. In this speech, I'll show you how to make $1,000 a month with this proven system, even if you're starting from zero. Ready to learn the secret to financial freedom? Let's go. Let's get real. Life is tough when you're financially strapped. You're working long hours, barely paying bills, and wondering if financial independence is just a fantasy. I've been there. I was living paycheck to paycheck, with no savings and no hope. The internet promised riches, but all I found were scams or schemes that required thousands to start. Sound familiar? Most online money-making methods are either too expensive or too confusing for beginners. But here's the truth: you don't need a big budget or tech skills to build wealth online. You just need the right system, and that's Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. So, what is Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0? It's a step-by-step ebook that teaches you how to make money online through affiliate marketing. No experience needed. Affiliate marketing is the simplest way to earn passive income. You promote products you love, like software, courses, or everyday items, and earn commissions for every sale. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 breaks it down into easy, actionable steps that anyone can follow, even if you've never earned a penny online. Here's why it's perfect for beginners. You don't need to invest thousands to start. I began with $0. You don't need tech skills. The blueprint shows you how to use free tools like social media and AI. And it's a proven system. Thousands have used it to earn $500, $1,000, even $10,000 a month. With this blueprint, I went from broke to earning $1,000 a month in just 90 days, and I'm going to show you how. Here's how to make $1,000 a month with Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. Pick something you're passionate about: fitness, finance, gaming, anything. The blueprint helps you find profitable niches with high-paying affiliate programs. Step 2. Sign up for affiliate programs. Join free platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 lists the best programs for beginners and shows you how to apply in minutes. Step 3. Create content with AI. No money for cameras or editors? No problem. Use tools like HeyGen AI to make professional videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The blueprint includes templates to make content creation fast and easy. Step 4. Drive traffic. Share your affiliate links on social media, blogs, or forums. The blueprint teaches free traffic strategies to get thousands of clicks without spending a dime. Step 5. Cash in. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn commissions: $10, $50, even $200 per sale. Stack those sales, and you're hitting $1,000 a month in no time. Let me share my story. 6 months ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job, barely paying rent. I stumbled across Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and decided to try it. I followed the steps, created simple AI videos, and promoted affiliate products. My first month, I made $200. By month 3, I was at $1,200, more than my day job. Now I'm building wealth from my laptop, working when and where I want. If a broke, clueless person like me can do it, so can you. This system works because it's designed for people like us, regular folks with big dreams but small budgets. Why will this go viral? Because Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 isn't just another make money online gimmick. It's your ticket to financial independence in this lifetime. It's beginner-friendly, budget-friendly, and works for anyone, anywhere. Students, stay-at-home parents, or 9-to-5 workers. Plus, it's powered by AI tools like HeyGen, so you can create viral content without spending a penny. Imagine millions watching your videos, clicking your affiliate links, and funding your dreams. This system taps into the massive demand for passive income and affiliate marketing, making it perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and X. But here's the thing. Opportunities like this don't last forever. Right now, you have a chance to grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 at a special discount. This ebook is your roadmap to $1,000 a month, packed with secrets that top affiliate marketers use to earn millions. Don't let another day pass watching others live your dream life. Click the link below to get instant access to Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 before the price goes up. This limited time offer won't wait, and neither should you. I know what it's like to feel trapped, wondering if you'll ever escape financial stress. But I'm proof that Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 works. It's not about luck or talent. It's about following a proven system. Whether you want to pay off debt, travel the world, or just have extra cash, this ebook can get you there. So, what's stopping you? Take control of your future today. Click that link and order a copy. Grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and start building your passive income empire. The life you want is just one decision away. Make it now.